going to remove the headlight assembly since I wasn't able to buff this out. I am going to replace that. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is remove this front liner, and it's held together by these clips here. Once you remove that, go ahead and remove the front cover. Then there are 4 screws that hold this bin together. So remove those. They're 10 millimeter. Take this out. It's pretty deep. And then you can remove this. Okay, so it's held together by 1 and 2 screws, and then there's 1 screw behind there. Can't see it from up here. So what you got to do is, there's another screw back there. So what I got to do is come down here and remove this liner. There's a couple clips here. So remove the clips and then peel back the liner. And then we're going to remove this screw right here. That screw that holds the this part of the bumper to the fender. So I think this is going to make a lot more sense. This is the new headlight. And here's the 2 clips at the top, and then the 3rd clip is behind the wear well right there. It's right here.
Yeah.
Okay? So you just got to peel this back and pull the bumper back a little bit, and you should be able to get into it. And then what you'll do is disconnect a few of the bulbs right here, right there, right there, and then another bulb right here. There's a clip here and a couple clips on the fender liner. I've actually broken this. So it looks like that. So we got to remove a few screws from the underneath for the bumper. 4 screws on the top. Unscrew these. So after removing the screw, we got a few more screws underneath here. I think 3 more. Last screw. It's stuck right here. I don't know why. So apparently there's a tight clip right here that you need to reach your hand underneath and then just carefully and gently push it out, just like that. And now we got it stuck right here. So apparently there is another clip here and here. You just got to pry it underneath really hard, and now you can move it out. We got 2 screws up here. You can use a Phillips or a 10mm wrench. So here's a 3rd screw for the camera, I mean the lens housing. It's right there. So I got the wrench in here for the 3rd screw. There it is. We're going to try to remove this. They say just to pull this. See if that works. Easier said than done. We got to pull this out here. Pull it forward. Is there any other clips that's holding on to anything? I think it's just this screw right here that needs to come out. So this is why you remove the bumper, because there's the housing goes underneath this bumper, so you need that space to move this out. However, it's stuck there. I'm not sure what's stuck here. I've gotten all the bolts out, the nuts out, moved the bumper, got that nut there out, but I can't seem to pull this out here. It's stuck. I don't know what to do. I don't know how hard to pull, if I'm going to break something. So I don't know if you can see the clip. It's right there. I'm going to try to reach under and squeeze it up. I think there's 1 or 2 clips there. Yeah, dude. How do you get to that clip, dude? Oh, forget it. Well, I can't seem to undo this Pac-Man clip. I don't even know what that is. So I'm just gonna pull it. See what breaks. Got it out, but it's stuck right there. Okay, got one more thing it's stuck to. And another wire that is stuck to. Oh, finally. Hours and hours. Jeez. Here's the Pac-Man clip. You just have to pull it really hard. Here's that bolt. The second one. And the third one. And then the harnesses, we got that one, this one, the lights, light bulb, and that one. And there's that Pac-Man clip, or the front clip. You don't need to pull that clip out, you just need to tug this hard. Old housing. And the new one. So we're going to put this back. Start with the bottom screw. Look at the difference. I should have bought 2 new ones. Yes, I got that screw in here. Right there. Now we're going to push this in. Pac-Man clip, they call it. Push it inside that clip. And then we get it secured. And do all the bolts and the nuts. And we're home free. And we're going to get this just pushed in. There, it's just a push in, that's all, and then pull out. It's tight. Now I gotta do the wires. And we gotta get this stuff in. We got all the wires hooked up, let's test it.